like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper carrot. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold it in triangle. And fold it in half. And fold it till middle line. Like this way. So it will look like this way. And again fold it. Now let's keep this aside. Now take 2 pieces of green paper and fold it in triangle. Open it and fold it first like this way. Flip it and again fold it. Fold it till middle line. It will look like this way. Same way do with this one also. Now take this carrot body and insert it like this way. Like this way. Now let's draw carrot's eyes and smile. And the carrot is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.